Durban Business Fair. Today there's so many things going on, but one of the main attractions is the Youth Connect. I'm excited about it. We've got amazing speakers today. We've got Nunu Chingila, we've got Amanda Black, we've got AK, we've got Mondli Mziz. I mean, the list goes on.
I'm here to share my story, man. You know, Nomzamo invited me. You know, she thought that my story is really inspiring, and she really wanted me to come share it with the youth of Durban. And I was like, yeah, let's do it, you know. And I really do believe that there's a lesson in my life and how far I've come.
Ngoba ngilana I will be sharing my story. Engicabanga ukuthi noma kanjani umuntu omusha sizomthinta avuka ayithathe.